We love our job. We love the region and the nature that surrounds us. That's why this piece of land at Ruti has become a truly unique manufacturing and office location that makes the environment a priority in terms of design and sustainability. It shouldn't surprise anyone that our architects and interior designers went through great effort to bring nature inside the building. The Waldau building, surrounded by green areas, is the new headquarters of Paxis Global, a Swiss-based company which develops world-leading machines for the packaging industry. The design of Waldau and all its utilities has been done in such a way that uses as little energy as possible. The rooftop is filled with more than 1,500 solar panels. In addition, the building uses intelligent lighting and air control to produce an energy-efficient dynamic lighting and air system. It's also equipped with energy monitoring devices to make sure that consumption remains sustainable. The building has charging stations for e-bikes and electric cars. Health and well-being play an important role in our company. That's why we offer ergonomic workstations, different meeting spaces, a creative room, a relaxation room, and even a gym for exercising between working hours. We wanted to make a difference not only on the outside, but also on the inside of our company. The Waldau building aims to become a place where people love to work, to be creative and interact. To continue our eco-sustainability strategy in the search for new product solutions, we have a new innovation area called the CREA Lab. It's a living laboratory for our customers and universities where they can research and develop with us new solutions toward a greener planet. We stand for a healthy work environment and a Swiss-tainable future.